Extraordinary could be right there in front of you, without you even knowing it. It's something unique, rich, and rewarding, full of character. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
Sounds compete in a landmark 11th season as they search for greatness right here on the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. Now, it is a monumental 11th season of the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. How do you feel being a part of such a big club?
Well, I'm going to give thanks to the opportunity, you see.
Straight, I just love war. I love music. I'm big up to my mother, Joy White, you don't know.
Well, I feel overwhelmed knowing that I'm fully experienced and I've always been waiting for a big stage like Guinness Sounds of Greatness stage.
I'm so happy here to present my son.
Because we come have straight winnings and represent Lakover, which part we come from.
You know what we are going to do now? We're going to do the draw based on who reached the venue first. Try know. So from first to last, who forward first? One. Hold it no. Don't show nobody. Next person in line, if you know it, you forward second, Naz, you sure? Third. Fourth. All right. What number you pick?
Number one.
Number one. Naz.
Number double.
Number double, I don't know the number then, Naz. I don't know the number then. Number what? Number two. In the talk loud, man. What number, G?
Chase, so I got that.
What number?
Number 4.
Boy, hey, them man them pick straight in a line like how they reach. Me never see this yet from my band.
The first round of the competition is a juggling round. In this juggling round, each sound will juggle for 15 minutes. At the end of their 15 minutes, the judges will judge them based on stage presence, musical selection, and also crowd reaction. At the end of the entire round, the sounds will be ranked from number 1 to number 4, and that is their placement for the second round.
Can I hear some horns, some whistles, some noise, some lighter? If you're ready for war, say war! Press the mix!
The juggling round begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I didn't behold until the throne was cast down.
Hey, finger play on the Serato. Finger play on the Serato, killer. Every God bless. Buckfield. Take my time, creep up. Take my time. Let's dead. One armor. All the sound.
Mama, 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 papa, papa, sister, brother.
Let me start it right just so. Finger play on Serato.
Look,
10 seconds. You ready now?
show me honor.
Jonah killer. Let me kill out the whole of them up here. Next man.
Rings and dumps and head. No need to bow.
Jonah killer. Jonah killer. Bitch.
What them do? Press the mix and play.
Too much crime and violence. Now what their name? So tell them.
Don't both have the press the mix. It won't reach nowhere.
So me say.
Don't eat and don't play some boy.
Go.
But With my sound I play.
Jordan Killer.
Just take on the pressure.
You ready now? See the slaughteration here now. See the slaughteration here now.
Press to mix a bus, a sound play so ambiance so clear with a sweet tone, a melody the crowd want to hear.
I'm say,
never heard a sound play so
straight out the Guinness farm. Straight out the Guinness farm. All I'm on him know say boy can disrespect your mother and get to it. Go on now here. Put up every hand now.
Real, so the guns and we think
I'm say,
war get crazy. Is it the AK we think of?
Pull up. Control it. Simple means say, gangster down here too.
Work every day till we make it. I fit turn it up on the weekend. Boss a toast to your real friend. Tell me why you're drinking,
Watch this! Kill a balance! Big up them man knows they have a 95. Yeah, no cross it!
It is right in front of them eyes.
Buckfield!
Still them play a blind eye.
Buckfield!
It is right in front of them face.
No, me easy in the road now. Warm up! Kill a mess! Mess! Watch it! Do the bunks! Do the bunks! Buckfield, watch it! Watch it now! Bunks! 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 1, 2, 3, bust the neck now!
Coach you load from in on the dollar. With the grabbers think like Ali get up on. The scheme hot to the way I be with them. A boy should have dropped, but the boy can't jump.
Go! Go! Go!
Do it for the love and not do it for the likes.
Go!
Success
Don't come overnight!
Make them know a substance over I.
Minimize. Minimize. All that man them know say, you're not eating on a nut table. Put up your right hand here. Right hand! Right hand! Right hand!
We ain't net no one to get the pressure, he mustn't wait. Like how my reload.
Get a balance! Under the sound can play that dub here. Because Munga not do it.
On the team, we not mad. No!
Ladies and gentle people, are you ready now? Guinness Sounds of Greatness, DJ Daz!
Ocho Rios! Make we hear some nice right now. All of the man them know so them have them woman in their life and we not going on a lane. What we make them know? Ready?
Man to man is so unjust.
Next song!
Children.
We not come for age.
Here I come.
What we say? Let me tell you this.
Until the philosophy which old
I
one
saw war
race
start.
superior
And another.
inferior.
Ready?
Everywhere is war. Na, 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 na.
Level me.
When I see my friends become my enemy, I have to far.
No one of them will not go.
No link, no bar.
Let them say.
I know, dirty I can't sweep with broom. They are like the trees that bloom, and they shall slowly
fade away. Let me say prayer there, keep the devil away.
Nice and love of people, yeah. You live the life you love.
Over your son! Over your son! Up, up, up,
And
up,
the
up!
music you want, DJ Naz will give.
What we tell them?
Ooh-wee.
If a son think them can come guilty tonight, what we tell them?
No, no, no.
Come
and say one thing, Nancy, if you understand.
Ready?
One thing, Nancy, if you understand.
The man never love woman, they never this is some Adam song.
So I make who them a talk about me ambition. Come and say some of them a ask me where me get it from. So some of them a ask me when.
It's a kill sound. I get a message for the drop me Nesbeth.
You see you, what name again? The digital wave. Una go dead. DJ Nas and Nesbeth. We don't care who we pick. See that. We kill a sound. 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 3 sound a go dead in a Ocho town. Dynamics from Africa first a go John Presto. Mix and digital wave a 2 gal clown. Tell you Nas goal, Nas goal, Nas goal. Is you win Guinness clash and put them full in a hole. If a miserable life put it on them headstone. Nobody no fi cry over them jump and sound. Look at Nas now, where them treat her less than good. Put her in a box like a rectangle. Oh oh, look at her now. Look at her now. Look at her now. I'm gonna tell you Nas.
So now go dead and on the world we a tell. Girl power them get at them. Names and boy hell. This all nothing a minute of hell.
Me nah no change a Sunday grow, Sunday grow. We no come in no Sunday grow, Sunday grow. Sorry Nazi for no never know. Ask Guinness.
Next song.
My ski.
You say anything but talk up your song that me mean. Drop my song.
Anything me say me I go do me mean it. Boy, someone say them bad but them. And if now with me them I go get sure.
What on there? I'm a final song that one. Yeah, drop it. I mean name DJ Nas Girl Power. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook.
Coffee come in like a raptor, and everybody get captured.
Hey!
Play sleep up like helicopter when them see the lyrics contractor. Sound boy, we shoulda never.
All who read
Ain't no
from Ocho. All who say Tanya Stevens, listen that one here. Watch your artist be a player now, listen now.
Sound a dead in here tonight. Hey, dynamic come for take a few lives.
Big up the judge, listen.
Pretend now.
It's a
what up?
them and them dirty mind. Them and them dirty sound.
Soon I go dead in the dancer.
Bushman!
Dynamic sound.
Oh!
Dynamic
voice up a fantasy. Tell that bitch right.
Nothing be touch of you like a fail on me heart. This dynamic sound and make me fans cry. Anyway, the win for
If you know want sound dead, who will say never seen a 45 before? Who's a sound never get Buckfield! Your door. You the bad. Dynamic sound and murder me. Them would have bad. Say the murder. Level.
Dynamic sound
will play forever. Yeah, some people just got dance one day. All who got dance long time. Listen to Admiral.
Big band sound.
Admiral Bailey.
Whole time beating come back again. African song
come back again.
Whole time
dancing come back again.
African song.
Little genius, level. Now give a gun. More you shoot and show them how versatile you is. Shoot! Big up DJ Nas, Girl Power. But me hear you come and play some song. But you not play the artist here. All who love and respect Coffee and know she are going good. And the first email for got Billboard. Give me some light and gun and I hear that one exclusive. Juggle!
Dynamic sound can't buy in a life, man.
Juggle! Walk with it, George! Walk with it!
We're going with it. We're going
Walk
with it.
All who love Coffee now!
Yeah. Dynamic sound they come in with a force. Yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we're coursing on full. Dynamic sound them in a rise and boss.
Anytime we are, me not bring the crowd from town. All who read vibes cartel, light and gun and I hear for cartel.
Salt Spring,
we not going on there.
I'll get up on the long ready, broke pocket now work. Straight from the narrow now, make no wrong turn. Get the cheddar,
any cheddar, make them know dirty bad mind this.
Protect me while me, I protect myself. Oh Lord, me no left it.
Level!
Me no frightened feelings, me start to me things. Me not just some boy 'cause them requires me things.
More no sing out. All who proud that we are live.
Me no links, 'cause me know if we will out.
'Cause me nah buy a things.
Much less see buy a drinks. Never grew up
fi bad out.
Come and born as a thug, so me mother never grew a whim. Me
no pies of a jeans, me no pies
of a paper. No some people a be fried of me.
Watch out!
LB
all way. Yo. The African sound, Jesus Christ, African lose half hour now. I don't spend a bag of money and cut one bag of don't play it. And yet you come up and still don't overplay them. You know what? It's all about Mother's Day. So if me big up my mother, me school in her bed, who me gonna big up again? Who are the real general?
Father God.
You be sure you don't deal with clash. I'm juggling around this.
Your son again.
If you know so who remember get your money, put your left hand in their ear. Put your left hand in their ear. Everybody want to hear. Tell it.
Father God, I make them fight me so hard.
Someone who's not sure. Level. Someone who's not sure. If you love Father God, keep your left hand in their ear.
Lord, I pray.
What we do again?
I honor your name.
Level. We're going to see for the love Father God, really and truly. Buckfield! I'm juggling with the right. You will tell them. I'm empowered in. Oh God. Everybody when they eat from all walks of life. You be telling this here.
Keep the links stink. We links no parrot, so we flew. We linky them up with thing like on the road. So no
the people want this.
Come one time in a life. If you don't see that, I better you tattoo your eye.
If you never sell out your friend, Buckfield, I tell them that.
Oh, come one time in a life. If you don't see that, I better you tattoo your eye. No things we all of my friend them so I.
What me I say now?
Them a damn business. I'm really business.
We are got you never know, sir. This is some selector play like a dub for dub run with a rich yet. Everybody was a selector for dead.
But you keep on it up, make it take down a flat. Them a ask how that. Rapid it at make it take up on a flat.
Buckfield, Danny, I'm not.
I love it touching any boy. I'm a go five in a fear. Rapid up the brain fried. Some love
I didn't tell we for the one kill. I did you tell we for the one kill? On a idiot.
Some come to story to patch I corrupt for Bingy man create.
Oh,
tell them change them ways. Bingy youth no hurry up, now come yourself you waste.
What we tell them?
You know see so them are guys. Them come to story to
if you eat your own shoes, start it out.
Tell them change them ways. Bingy youth hurry
If
up.
you eat your own shoes, shout.
Sometimes some back, some of them are rally back. We are road wild, so we not take back no chance. Sometimes some back, we not take this in our face. We not set, we not gal. We not. They're just some baby.
Ori about to kill the warlord, give me some signal. Ori about to kill the warlord. What the about to kill a person you know? What's it dance over there, sir?
Skyscraper and a lot of acre. Let it know.
We send them on ya.
Everybody wants to be send them on their letter. Yeah.
You are punk, you never splash. Where you know about booze, cause I ash. And man, chop on from a block. Crack your skull like a mash. When you come for rolling slow. And when I take up a wee man. Smoke in my lungs.
What's up, my son? What's up, your son?
Anybody, them a talk, them a talk, them a chat.
What you say?
I tell me a talk from here with fear badness.
Did you tell we are son? Everybody know. Everybody know. You will kill them after your son. Oh, yo.
Go make me lose my mind. Up in here.
Them know me head mad, so me can bad. Them want know when me have a...
Them coward like that.
One phone call it takes to make some boy wipe up her hurt and drop down flat.
Them and them with them when I gun just bust it up.
Shut the left the gun and every man a collect.
Me hear them a make talk. Me no know about league, cause we in a World Cup.
All I do is win, no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody
send them warm. Everybody tell them.
So me say them can't on ya. From them not speak no truth, say them can't on ya. From them a display liquor.
Our judging panel this season consists of 2 great resident judges and 1 guest judge each week. So we're going to start things with Bishop Escobar. What do these sounds have to do to show their greatness tonight?
they have to make sure they make the landmark, which is stick to the rule them, play the song them, entertain the crowd and prove themselves. You see me? So that's it.
Watch your opponent. Watch why the person who play before you or the round that play before you. Read off, just read the crowd.
Greatness, you know, that them have to bring, just like how Guinness bring greatness, the selector them just have to bring greatness and bring them A game to the clash. I know it's a Joe clash at Guinness, so them have to bring them best. You see me?
All right, our awesome judging panel here. Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2019. Keep it locked.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you, without you even knowing it. It's something unique, rich and rewarding, full of character. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
We started with 4 sounds tonight competing for supreme dominance here in the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. Welcome back to all our viewers. Now, unfortunately, now we are at 3 sounds as 1 sound, Digital Wave, unfortunately was disqualified.
So right now we have the judges starting with Bishop Escobar.
What me say? DJ Naz, big up yourself. Preston Mix, big up yourself. Dynamic Sound, big up yourself. But like how the clash are going so far, the people might enjoy themselves. Alright? Nas! Oh God! Our state performance bad. Music selection bad. The crowd goes sir. So she get 10 out of 10. Out of 10. Digital Wave now. One point with the juggling and everything. But a bad word slip. And from you violate and go bad word, you automatically get disqualified.
3 bad they make get way. And rules are rules. So hold it to one.
So Nas get our green card for go through. So the next round will be Preston Mix and Dynamic Sound.
These sounds have now been placed into 2 groups, Group A and Group B. Group A consists of those ranked number 1 and number 4, and Group B consists of the sounds ranked number 2 and number 3. Now, each group will have to play 5 songs based on a theme given to them just tonight. At the end of that, the judges will decide which one from each group will make it to the 3rd and final round, the dub for dub round. So right now, it's all about the challenge round. Let the challenges begin.
Naz, make it through to the final round, but however though, we will still ask her to represent in the challenge round by playing her 5 songs.
The challenge round begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't show your face, Mr. Cat, cause them can't stop you, Selassie, you know.
What's Rios?
Yeah! Lord of mercy.
Level me.
Special dedication to all
Me hear an idiot song come out and talk about and I call up
cause
the
this is
DM.
Mr. Cat, the beer bomb rider. The style when me a go get them, I go run Jamaica. And in a London, I'm
come out here, boy, like you know, and the only thing you do is dress bad.
Traditional system. Yeah.
Original gangster.
We reach the 10th stage of even now.
Me a bad girl in this. What me say? Make some noise. I'm a bad girl. Never can bust them man gun there. Make some noise. The people that want to enjoy themselves go so boop 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 boop.
I didn't behold until the throne was cast down, yeah.
Them say prayer and they keep the devil away. Let me see my God bless people there right now. Side to side, what we say? But right now, big up the people that were glad for wake up at morning time. Drop my tune.
Damage music. SOR.
Let me see the hand them side to side. When me wake up, what me say?
Give thanks you alive. One mount a shot, man skip and die.
Hold on.
But anyway, man, make it out, man.
Sing with me.
Chano, me give thanks, me live for see the age. Give thanks in a them days. Give thanks in a them last days. Chano, me vex my friend, them no live for see the age.
Love for me. Yo, earlier, you know, people may have to go on a joke. No, the man come out. Like him there in his bedroom, the man not even come out and say make him dress soon. No, and listen, no. And then I come brag about dub this and dub that. Or broke pocket boy for chat to people like me.
Wait
What you think a joke thing? My money
different
enough.
type of thing. 6. Yeah.
Make me see some lighter right now.
Oh, sister. Press the mix versus Dynamic. The man from Africa. What the challenge them have? Them have a play one song with the artist with them name start with B.
What them say challenge on B. All who respect where you come from. Jack that one them selector.
This a survival story. True get a story.
All who proud of where you come from.
Real get a story.
Beano.
I remember those days when
Evan Gold and Guinness.
It was a big piece of foam. Mommy never like babe and my ear never come when mama gonna work me.
Listen up.
I remember when daddy them
pick my gold and
make him lick up
Buckfield.
kick up Jerome. I remember when we visit him with
You see that one, yeah? Sky high. All who respect me, yes, and this is all. Go on in the ear for that one, you know. Listen up. Don't respect, disrespect. In all aspects, some boy don't know who them are. Not nice, a big producer, you know. But you see that one, you tell the whole of them, say. Tell the whole of them, say.
All of the mercy.
All who know so long of that. Challenge on!
Rinsing, shot in head.
No need to ball,
no need to beg. Gangsters no see.
You see, in a Guinness class, more you take this and go to the game. And you're going to link somebody to the game. You see the key when the game, let's do something for me now.
I want you to carry this on the road for me. And don't take no time from the body. Just do what me tell you for the same style.
Go on, you don't stop in the yard.
Oh man, say the things for work, see? Take back yourself and put yourself in a one piece. Make sure see you read. Hear me? Lord of mercy. Hey, Lord of his mercy. Lord of mercy. Driver.
Don't
stop at all. Drop the car.
You see that one when me a play? When the clash done tonight, at this me I tell the whole of them.
And while you're at it, get me my some deal. As well,
this me I tell the whole of them.
Some boy are violate.
Challenge round. Challenge
this guy is straight up the pen and paper. Leave that till later.
You don't me, I know me, I know more. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
You have got tired, missing me face.
Why?
Killer, my sound string up a Tower Hill right now. Them not get no date. People that make them trick or no.
Oh God! 1,000 years as oh, we never talk too much about the one that sound.
Watch it! Watch it! Ready! Stop!
We don't know what them saying, them at top of the top. And we never get, fuck them in on us.
All of them know say now got firm the sleep now. Nobody basement. I sleep and nobody cold. Go! Minimize killer. This finger, I will lose it. But you see the index finger, yeah. Me can't do without it.
People dead. We have no mercy.
Oh,
no sympathy. No pity. We be telling
oh,
thirsty. And the guy get to gun thirsty. The only break people that tell them say.
We know no mercy.
Don't
get we gun thirsty. Jungle is a teach you no mercy. We are with a right see,
you already know.
Kill boy with those national pity. All a nation gone with the city. Nas beer no boy and when
me love that clash, yeah. Killer, me love that clash, yeah.
Big up to the man them know say you're gallus. Put your left hand in the air.
Every time I think of saying goodbye, everything inside me says it's alright.
So if you spend a bag of money, don't make that worry head road boy.
Now clap your hands and stamp your feet. This happens to be a wild treat.
Pull up. Yeah. You know, listen to me. As a referee, I'm not here to tell anybody what to do or not to do. So if I say 5 songs and you don't know how to know when it reach 5 songs, that's not my prerogative.
More excitement from the crowd here at the Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2019. Good night. What's your name?
I'm Robert.
And you?
Good morning.
And you?
John Lewis.
All right.
I'm Daniel.
All right. Now you all tell me, you just saw the second round, the challenge round. What do you think of the round you just saw?
Well, it was kind of close still. I like the songs and thing. You know, it's good. It was good.
It was good. What do you think of the round that we just saw?
Yeah, man, selectors, I'm going good. Me not tell a lie. Yeah, go on. It bad.
Dynamic, I think them get the easiest letter. You know, most of the major artists them in a dancehall, them names start with B. So the selection where they make, be kind of poor still.
Me wanna understand, say, una in a one clash. So your pretty shirt where you have on and your pretty shoes, forget about it. You're in a one clash. Entertain the people them.
So for me, a DJ Nas and Dynamic. So Press the Mix in that round scored 32 and Dynamic scored 37. So we have no further argument. Dynamic, you will be facing Nas.
So out of Group A, of course, we have DJ Nas, who made it automatically to the dub for dub round. And from Group B, Dynamic Sound has come out on top. Now stick around because the third and final round, the dub for dub round, will be nothing short of greatness. Keep it locked. The judges have the last say, but which sound do you think take it tonight? Vote for the Guinness Sounds of Greatness Viewers' Choice Award and win. Visit @Guinness Carib on Instagram to vote, and you could win great prizes from Guinness.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you, without you even knowing it. It's something unique, rich, and rewarding, full of character. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
Right now, I am here with last year's winner and this year's Resident Sound Game Changers. You don't know, Stadia Chat is in the building, and they've been keeping the crowd going all night. Now, Steny, you've been in this situation before. What advice do you have for these competitors?
I would just say just hold your composure. Because guess what now? She might be leading right now because you are going. But hold your composure because you have a long way going and you don't know where things go.
Now, would you all love to clash this year's winner?
Right now. I'm in a kidding mood, you know. It's a bad doing a trouble me like me, I eat that. Go on, yeah?
They are ready right now. They won last year, so of course, you know what? And they were the defending champs, right? But right now, they're just keeping things going for us where the sound is concerned and where music is concerned throughout the night. So keep it locked. It's Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2019. Game changers in the building.
Ladies and gentlemen, people, in the final round right now, put your hands together for Dynamic. Where's Dynamic? And of course, fighting out of the woman's corner. Not to say that's any reason for you not to give the gentleman a foul. We have DJ Naz. Where is Naz?
Segment 3 features round 3 of the competition where the 2 remaining sounds will go up in a dub for dub challenge. 7 songs will be played alternately between the 2 sounds, and we will decide, rather the judges will decide who will be our winner tonight. We are ready. Are you ready? It is dub for dub time here in the Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2019.
Dub for dub begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Like one night class, tune for tune. But DJ Naz, me gonna tell you something. You see that tune here? And a normal tune. Listen to that tune here.
You are playing with a serious sound. Yes, Dynamics International.
Listen.
Dynamics International is serious. Cantankerous and dangerous.
No runway from nowhere sound can't come talk to me. Time serious, yes. But we're bucketive, dead there. We're not afraid of no idiot man clown, so tell them this.
Splash away.
DJ Nas we say, Nas, you're bad anyway, but up on your own. Rifle a clap, eagle a fly down. The devil him a run from. Stop it in a face, boy, baby, in a gum. 12 years, Spanish stone, chop out the head, chop out the leg.
Seriously? Tune for tune. And you jar that. Yeah, listen to tune like this.
Dynamic sound inbound. Now this one is designed for 18 and over. Over. So 18 and over.
Listen to
this. Sound.
The first mistake he make him don't know what a woman look like. All who said the African fake sound then said dead. And the new generation this drop my song.
I don't know what family are talking about. I mean I say a dead boy, dead girl. When DJ Nas come up, already have one girl power. You can manage them have hurricane breeze. Them not have hurricane breeze, them have tropical breeze. Go about highway jump on boy. You same time Nas, pull up, lay Nas. Circle them on the car clip, some little selectors straight so them a craft is Nas, them a candice, gun punch and armies. That and nobody.
Kano. Me can't follow you and play that. But me know you can't play this.
Seen Sudanese child, Ganja Natty.
Hallelujah, John Wall, go Natty, John Wall.
Zion, sound you dead tonight.
And then do the kill sound.
On the silent steps, we're gonna murder you in a mystic form.
And then say you kill sound.
Dynamic will make you wanna cry.
Him dead with him owner though. Boo him. Let me see the crowd up, sir. What we say?
Hey, bad sound always I go get a fight. 10 son now dead in the land tonight. So now we make do what we like. Now we make do what we like.
We can't believe a tune for tune. And then them come back up against. No, seriously? Listen what go on in there now. Now you can't play them song yet.
Prince, Zion, a man called Adele. Right and now we're gonna murder sound. Wanna know what you been playing over the dance.
You come in at the party, the clash come go on like say a friend thing. I kill me come for kill.
Huh. DJ Naz, girl power, bullet. What up with them mullet? You know it's wall up in here representing for DJ Naz. Girl power. I want to them boy, them feel like them can't call you down and bully you. Them feel know you have your female bullet. Hear the mullet. How them feel like? How all up in this, you know?
I just gotta say, he's none other than DJ Naz, girl power.
Right now. You can't treat yourself. It's all out in the top. Missing. Let's say boy, run, come up in a she magnum boy. Walk up in a...
Who know what I'm a counter and a bounty killer there? True Dynamic!
Moderation! People have lost without a cause. with no art. Murderation every time people like them behind a big crime bound to get up on the front line of KG9 and say, yeah, I got your spy that feed that.
Let's do it in fight,
arena them, are you wicked man?
Listen up! Money pull up. Jano.
You know, sir, I tell him to go buy a life. No. Buy a life. You need it. Girl power, drop my song.
Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. DJ Nas of the champion.
Fly the dead man box again. She can't play this.
Every time. Yeah.
Buckfield, listen up. Listen up. Dynamic sound. Great.
Who's gonna kill the sound tonight?
Listen up!
Only Dynamic can do it right.
George!
All who say for sorry for him say sorry! Drop my song! Watch your Rios! Lighter!
Girl power!
Jano, George, I want to listen to Mark Wagwan, you know. Listen, kill it, and watch Wagwan. Play that one, I alone play this.
International, the African people sound Sudanese child.
Me alone
Original
play this.
crocodile. One shot, one kill.
All who are shining as a good artist now.
When sound boys die, it's dynamic skill they always.
Pull. Can't play that.
You see how him look, ladies, who don't come there with something like that? Him come from big Guinness, favor all broke. So if you there with a man like that will look so, how you would have look? The girl would defend their money and kill sound.
DJ Nas, what's the deal? Right,
watch out me kill that idiot in a style.
Hey Nas make be a head a bust out. DJ Nas make be a head a bust out.
Hey girl power, you tell them big dub plate you a spin. Yeah, big dub plate you a spin. Yeah, I talk them a talk and I talk and the money you come and say you win. For real, big dub plate you a spin. Yeah man, big dub plate you a spin.
I don't want to see no more. I'm stressed out. The stage, I will send for bad artists. An artist that represent the whole of the west side. From Ocho, Chilani, Bobby. It's a great pleasure. Bada Bling on the stage. LB, welcome right now. This artist that goes by the name DJ. Let me tell you this. Watch out, Moshaba them. All who say sound for dead, put up on answer. Alright, turn it up. Then, again, they think me say me, you go to me, man. Some boys say them bad, but them break. Anybody know with them, I go get. Everybody get free. Just to get on you to reject themselves. Bubble your body for the top boss. Bad man that touch a baby, you top class. Jump up in a belly like say you're up class. Remember me get up, every girl a top class. When me done that to your friend them, say the boy bad. Racy Gensi, Mr. Bjorn.
The final dub for dub round is over, and dancehall artist TJ right now is heating up the stage while the judges are deliberating. It is time for one more break, but when we return, we will announce this week's winner. It is the Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2019. The judges have the last say, but which sound do you think take it tonight? Vote for the Guinness Sounds of Greatness Viewers' Choice Award and win. Visit @Guinness Carib on Instagram to vote, and you could win great prizes from Guinness.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you, without you even knowing it. It's something unique, rich, and rewarding, full of character. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
The voices of the people are, of course, very important. And we're finding out right now from the ladies what they think happened with round 3 just now. So, good night. What's your name?
Good night, Brittany.
All right, Brittany. Who you think win that round a while ago? The dub for dub?
Of course, DJ Naz.
Oh, and what's your name?
Samira.
And who you think won that round just now?
The lady.
Naz.
Yes.
Why you think she win? Tell me.
She modern and she keep up with everybody.
All right, and why you think she won as well?
Because she play the better songs and she make the crowd a move. The vibes, she bring the vibes.
Brought the vibes, girl power here. They're saying DJ Naz took it. We have to wait and hear from the judges. It's the Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2019.
We don't want you announce no winner yet still. Just tell us what you thought about the dub for dub.
Watch out now. One of the sound them, I move with the foundation part of the clash part.
Oh.
Something like that. But in a clash, you have to read your crown.
Oh.
So one of the sound them I deal with old-time badness, and one that deal with modern-day badness.
Bishop Escobar, what go on with the dub for dub? What you think about what go on a while ago?
You see the dub for dub now?
Yeah.
It remind me of the football match what they with Barcelona and Liverpool.
What go on in that match there?
You never know.
Never watch it.
If you did look on the Instagram, you'd hear. Check the press details. You will see.
Not nice.
Yeah.
Try be a little bit nice now.
No, you know, I don't know if you do that.
All right.
But who know when enough rain fall around the junction? I think named landslide. Yeah, that go on.
Jano. Now it's time to announce the winner. And ladies and gentlemen, people, our winner tonight is from all the way in Buckfield, our winner of this round of the Guinness Sounds of Greatness is Naz! Big up yourself, Dynamic. Well played, well tried. Naz, them don't know who them this. Big bad and man turn out big. Sig, a type of them here like a rig. The war you not go talk over, big out, now bag out.
Big up Guinness. Big up the judge them. And big up all of the supporters and all who said Team Naz. You see me? Straight.
So DJ Naz is our winner tonight, and she becomes the first of 6 sounds that will compete on the final night for a chance to show that they are definitely made of more. First and foremost, girl power, you know. Girl power, congratulations.
Thank you very much, Dave.
How you feeling right now?
I feel excited.
Now we know the challenges that you had prior to getting here, but how difficult was the clash itself from your perspective?
Tell the truth, you know. I just more support me need from the artists there. So I said as the only female in the streets like that. You understand? We love it like that. So apart from that, big up my team, big up my supporter them. Big up CD Master, Tierra, the whole crew, Lexona, Tafari. Yeah man, everybody. Liquor Richie, big up yourself.
What do you think gave you an edge tonight?
I don't know if it's saying a Jada. I don't
remember the prayer where you not talk about before the prayer, you know?
I swear.
How are you gonna be preparing for the finals now?
We're gonna look at figure cookie.
And get some more big dub and come.
Tell you.
DJ Naz, she is our week 1 winner, the first of 6 sounds to make it to the finals. It is the Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2019. It's girl power here in Ocho, Rios. So we'll see you next.
I'd like to big up to my designer, Best Apparel, Lando. You can find him at Constant Spring Arcade. Bad designer.
Because attire, of course, is a part of the whole dancehall culture. Big up to DJ Naz, girl power, right here in Ocho Rios. Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2019. That just about wraps it up for us here in Ocho, Rios, but of course feel free to come and join us at our next clash in Linstead, St. Catherine, Skateland to be exact. That happens on May 24th. And also tune in to TVJ next week, same time. Of course, we're going to have the highlights from week 2 right here. So I am Jaden on behalf of the entire Guinness team. Stay blessed, stay great, and I'll see you soon. Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2019. Mwah!
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you, without you even knowing it. It's something unique, rich, and rewarding, full of character. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.